Hello guys and welcome Cute Animals episode number 2. Today we have so powerful animals. King Kong. Now. So powerful. Godzilla. No. His voice so scary. And finally, T-Rex. Yes, your answer is correct. It's the T-Rex. Let's get started our puzzle. No, it's not true. Wow, yes. No. Yee-hoo. Hey. Of course. Come on. Yes. What? This is a tail, bro. No. Yeah. And finally. Okay guys, I have to run. T-Rex is coming. Thanks for watching and subscribe. See you in the next Cute Animals video.